everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank MegaLook for sending over this wig and sponsoring this video today. They sent me over a 3/4 wig. Yes, y'all, this is a half wig. I have all my natural hair out in the front, wig in the back, y'all. Yes, it's giving all natural, honey. Yes, honey. Anyway, if you guys want to see me install this wig and see all the details on what this wig is looking like underneath in the 3D dome cap, all of that stuff, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. Hey girl, hey. So we are working with the MegaLook today. Look at this big old beautiful purple box. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I haven't worked with MegaLook in a while, so you know what, let's just go ahead and get into it, y'all. If you see a cat pop up over in the back, he wants to hang out with me. Mariah, calm down. All right, super cute box, you guys. This is definitely a new look for them. I think their old boxes were like white with pink writing on them. So they went purple. They went purple. Oh, look, there goes Frankie. Frankie done shouted. So first you get a little goodie bag, a pearl clip. Love this. This is so stinking cute. A melting band, baby hair brush, some lashes. Let's see what these are looking like. Cute. And some wig caps, of course. All right, and so then your wig comes in your satin bag. Remember, you want to keep these for your wigs, girls. All right, and the wig we're working with today, they call it a 3/4 wig. So it pretty much goes to right here, and then you have like, you put your own hair out. They used to call it a half wig back in the day, but they're calling it a 3/4 wig, okay? Not a 4/4, because that would be whole. A 3/4, so we're just missing a quarter of this wig, okay? We're gonna use our own hair for that last quarter, okay? I'm gonna have to do my edges. Lord, ooh. This is a 20, okay, this is a long 22 inch. This is a long 22 inch, okay? This is a Kinky Straight, you guys. This is what the wig is looking like on the inside. It has 4 combs, one right in the front, left and right, one here on the back. It also has a drawstring with the little clamps on here. Press the button to loosen it up. Super easy. The cap is nice and breathable and big. Oh my gosh, this is virgin hair, you guys. Oh my gosh, this hair feels so, look at this. Look at this. I love the little grip strips they have going along the entire wig. Oh, except the front part. This is gonna lay really flat. As you can see how flat it is. Freaking nice. Love this. It does have a little bit of flex on there too, so it is definitely gonna fit nice and snug on your head. Love this. All right, so this should be really easy to install, you guys. I am off camera real quick. I'm going to section off like a little strip, a little part of my hair, and lay my little edges down. Maybe I'll do some little swirly swoop-de-doops or something, and straighten my little leave out so it can blend with this. Oh, the hair feels so nice too, so nice. You know, a Kinky Straight is always good to me. Here's a close-up on the ends. Look how full this hair is. I could barely grab it. Nice and natural. But yes, let me go ahead and section my hair off camera real quick, and then I will come back and show you how fast and easy this wig is going to be. This wig you can take on and off. You can take it off every night, and you can leave like a little bit of your hair out or a lot of your hair out. It's all up to you, but I'll show you what I end up doing. Also, something that I didn't mention is that they have this huge 3D dome cap. So look how freaking large it is, and so comfortable. And like I said earlier, it does have some little stretch on the outside or around the perimeter where this little grip is. It is flexible, but it's freaking huge. I love it. I went ahead and did like this little flip over with my natural edges out. I laid them. Don't worry about the products I used on my hair. The products I used on my hair got my hair a little ashy, just a little bit. But as you can see, it blends so freaking nicely. Super, super easy to put on. The clips honestly are so helpful. So helpful. And the wig just feels really, really light on your head as well. Super, super light on your head. Let me show you guys what the back looks like real quick. Hold on, let me brush your back. Let me brush your back real quick so you guys can see. I swear my forehead is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, but we're not here for that. No, we're not. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Okay, do you see how full this wig is? This is crazy. It's crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna put some of this hair in the back. I'm gonna put some of the hair in the back, but so it looks super natural. Like honestly, I trimmed off the ends just a little tiny bit, but this is the longest 22 inches. Ugh. Wait, hold on, does it say 22 inches on here? Oh, okay, this is not 22 inches. It says right here 26 inches. I think in the email it said that they were gonna send me 22 inches, but they sent me 26 inches. And I probably cut off like 1.5, 2 inches off the ends just because I wanted it to be just a little bit more like blunt. Just a little bit more blunt, but it looks really, really good. Anyway, I'm going to try to do another hairstyle real quick. So hold on, I'll be right back. Excuse me, not a little half up, half down. Oh my gosh, I just feel like a Nubian queen with this hair. Oh my gosh, and how easy was that half up, half down? You could do like little space buns if you want. I mean, that's what the back looks like. Oh, and the drawstring. This drawstring is back there. Okay. All right. Yes, this is so stinking cute. It blends so nicely, and honestly, I don't even know if you guys can tell that my natural hair is a little bit lighter than the wig too. It's just blending really, really nicely together. But yes, you guys. Yes, MegaLook. MegaLook is always gonna have, their wigs are always just so full and luxurious. Every time, every wig I've ever got from MegaLook hair is like top notch. It is definitely like high quality for sure. All right, make sure you guys check out MegaLook. I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this hair. Again, you guys, this is a 26-inch 3/4 wig, you guys. Yes. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.